Today we're going to tie the square knot. This is also known as the reef knot. The way I find the easiest to do it is just remembering right over left. Then you bring the ends around to the top and you do left over right. Now, tighten it down. This is a good knot for light loads. Is best used when you need to tie two ends of the same or similar rope together, like securing a bundle or package. To untie it, you just push it all together. You may have to shake it a little. So tying it again, start with right over left, bring both the ends to the top, then left over right. Pull to tighten. There you have it. A good square knot. Both the tag ends should be on the top. Push together and easily untie. Now some people get it mixed up and they go right over left, right over left. If you do that, you will end up with the granny's knot. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Let me know if there is a knot you would like to learn. Click here to watch how to tie another knot.